and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Ganesh, and today I have the Suzuki Gixxer 250 SF, and I'm going to ride this motorcycle towards Kudremukh and tell you more about this motorcycle, how this performs and what it does, and is it worth buying one of these. So I'll see you guys right after this intro video to tell you more about this motorcycle. So welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm all set to ride this motorcycle towards Kudremukh. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. And let's get a little up close and personal with this motorcycle. Good morning. Let's ride this beautiful machine and tell you how this particular bike performs. It's Gixxer SF 250cc, and let's ride this. And meet Royson, who's joining me today for my ride.
All set, tank full.
Perfect. What a lovely morning to ride and also review the Gixxer SF 250. So this route is completely twist and windy route that will help me to understand the agility and controlling ability of this motorcycle. I'm just trying to get a hang of the bike now, just to understand the bike better, and maybe then later I would like to throttle, but right now it'll just be more like just understanding the motorcycle, go ride and ride between anything between say 40 to 80. I must say the agility of this motorcycle is very good, and you can actually throw this bike around even at high speed. When I say throw around, is take it the way you want it. You want to go towards your right or left, you can just give your body weight and shift towards that place and take the motorcycle, and the acceleration is like that, just like that. It's very nice acceleration. Easy, no stress at all. So once you cross that 5000 rpm plus, the acceleration is extremely good. You can anticipate the kind of power you can get when you throttle, and it is very sweet delivery of power. It's not too aggressive, but at the same time it is good, and yeah, the bike just takes off. Very nice. I had to slow down because there were traffic. A lot of boys having fun, just taking some snaps. So this is Kudremukh Road, so you have to cover from point 1, so the first checkpost to the next checkpost within 1 hour. So which you can do, it's not that you can't, but if you stop and take photographs and all of it, that kind of time might be limited. So let's talk about the motorcycle and its performance. The initial 2 gears are very powerful, peppy, and you can get the power right like that, and then as you progress you have to be like changing the gears. So this is a motorcycle which is not recommended for a lazy rider. So here you'll have to keep changing gears as and when the speed increases or decreases. You can't use one single gear to do it all for you. So if you're accelerating, so you'll have to keep changing the gears, and then as per your pace you need to have your gears, and then if you're slowing down again you'll have to change the gears and slow down. And has a very nice power distribution, anything from 4000 rpm till 9000 rpm across, has a very good power distribution. So if you slow down, And if you think you can continue to run on the same gear, that is probably if you're on a fourth gear or coming down from sixth to fourth gear and you're at 40, no, you can't do that. You will have to come down to third or probably sometimes second, depending upon what is the momentum. So yeah, that tells you it has got high end torque but not on the low end, but then it is so good in terms of power, and for a 250cc to perform this way is joy. I mean, it's so fun, it's so much of fun to ride this, and the handling of this is amazing. Takes on to curves very good, nimble, and feels very comfortable as well, especially the riding position. Though the motorcycle suggests it's a sports tourer kind of a motorcycle where you have to be on an aggressive riding position, but no, it is not. Only it looks so. You are not so aggressive as the way you are in a KTM 390 RC or maybe Honda CBR 250. The riding position is very comfortable, and you can actually crunch miles on this motorcycle very nice. Taking on curves is super easy on this, and you can maneuver the bike very easily. This is a well powered motorcycle at 26 horsepower at a maximum of 9,200 rpm. Look at that, look at the way the power comes as you throttle, and the suspension, look at that, works as if it's a adventure motorcycle. I mean, you can't push it to that level, but then definitely can handle bad roads and can take potholes easily. And even at speed breakers, I'm just standing and delivering. I'm not kind of slowing it down, but then just taking it. So just trying to see how extreme this motorcycle can perform. I must say this is very good. So far so good, and I am enjoying riding this motorcycle. Talking about braking of this motorcycle, braking is sharp, very good braking. This comes with dual channel ABS, so that explains you very good braking capabilities, and you need not worry when you are braking. Oh, look at these roads. These are amazing. This is Kudremukh Road. Look at that. This is bad roads, like really bad roads, but then the motorcycle handles very well, and you don't lose control as well. The suspension really does a good justified job in those bad roads. I must say this is a very decent motorcycle. Good power, good handling, and also can use it for city use. At the same time can do touring with this. Very good riding position and good brakes as well, and suspension worth mentioning. I have taken a couple of speed breakers without braking, and then I just stood and went on it. Oh my, it is very good. Paisel for giving this motorcycle to me. I wanted it for a day or two, and I ended up keeping this for more than 4 days now, and I'm using this, and I'm in love with this motorcycle. What I really love, the thing that I completely, totally love about this motorcycle is the way this motorcycle handles in city. When you're in city, it is a perfect practical bike for city usage and also for highway usage or touring purpose. Does a brilliant job. The riding position, like I mentioned, it looked very aggressive, but then when you're on the motorcycle riding it, no pain at all, just no stress. You can ride this motorcycle for good kilometers and have no back complaint at all. Unlike other motorcycles which are on the similar lines where they have similar sitting position, they're quite aggressive, and you need to be bent most of the time when you're riding this motorcycle. Those motorcycles, but with this case, it's not like that. Only the style looks like that, but then it's really comfortable. And the best part is you are in total control of the motorcycle as well when you're riding. And then the braking is really, really good. I had certain places where I had to do immediate braking or panic braking, which I normally don't do. I do progressive braking, or I play with the gear if I have to slow down. But then there were situations where I had to do power braking, and then I was really impressed with that. And the suspension, guys, the suspension is brilliant. I was riding this motorcycle like I was riding a adventure bike. Whenever you had speed breakers or anything, I was just standing and just taking it, and the suspension took all the beating, had no issue. Especially with the corners also, the suspension played a very, very good role. Good traction when you're taking the corners, and overall, as a package, I think this is one of the best motorcycle in that segment of 250cc motorcycle. There are many motorcycles in that segment, but I would say you should consider riding one of these. And then if you're from Mangalore, you're watching this video, please visit Paisel to go check out, have a test ride of this motorcycle, or any Suzuki motorcycle that you want to test ride. And these guys would be more than obliged to give you the vehicle to take it for a good spin. And with that note, I would want to end this review. Until the next video, stay at home, stay safe. I'm going to say ciao for now. See you guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and bye-bye.